Join me as I dive into the world of lasers and see if I can actually change the course of an orbit. Let's find out together. The idea of using lasers to change the course of orbits might sound like science fiction, but it's actually a concept that's being explored for its potential to protect our planet from space debris and asteroids. Imagine being able to nudge an object off a collision course with Earth. It's a pretty powerful idea. As we continue to launch more satellites into space, the risk of collisions and the creation of more debris increases. Space debris is a major concern, with thousands of pieces of junk orbiting our planet, and it's not just a matter of cluttering up space. These pieces can travel at speeds of up to 17,000 miles per hour, and if they collide with a satellite or a spacecraft, the consequences could be catastrophic. Asteroids, too, pose a significant threat, with some of them on a collision course with Earth. We need innovative solutions to protect our planet, and that's where lasers come in. The science behind using lasers to alter orbits is based on the principle of momentum transfer. When a laser beam hits an object, it can cause a tiny change in the object's momentum, which over time can add up to a significant change in its trajectory. Researchers are exploring different types of lasers, from powerful ground-based systems to smaller, more compact lasers that could be used on spacecraft. For example, scientists have been experimenting with a technique called laser ablation, where a high-powered laser beam vaporizes a small portion of an object's surface, creating a tiny thrust that can change its orbit. One of the challenges is developing a laser that's powerful enough to make a significant impact. Current research is focused on creating more efficient lasers that can achieve the desired effect with less energy. It's a complex problem, but the potential reward is well worth the effort. Imagine being able to protect our planet from the threat of asteroids and space debris. It's a pretty compelling reason to keep exploring this technology. In a breakthrough moment, researchers have successfully demonstrated the efficacy of lasers in changing orbits. In a recent experiment, a team used a high-powered laser to nudge a small object off its predicted course. The results were impressive, and they show that lasers could be a viable option for altering orbits. This experiment was a major milestone in the development of laser technology for space applications. The implications of this technology are huge. Imagine being able to use lasers to nudge asteroids off a collision course with Earth, or to deorbit satellites that are no longer needed. It's a powerful tool that could help us protect our planet and ensure the continued safety of our space assets. The potential of laser technology in addressing orbital challenges is vast. So what do you think? Can lasers really change the course of orbits? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. If you're interested in learning more about space technology advancements, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more, and check out my other videos on the subject. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, keep looking up.